Ohayo gozaimasu. Roxanne desu. Hajime mashite. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. And I'm here because I've got the February Japan crate. Alright, so let's see what the February Japan crate has for us. Here's our guide. And ta-da! You can screenshot that or, I don't know, pause it and read it for yourself if you like, just so you know what this stuff is. Alright, so let's get started. Oh, so we got this, which I'm trying to remember because I read it. It's a more savory snack. I think it was plum? I don't know. I can't remember now. I read it last night. These are a yogurt like chocolate ball. I think we've had similar in other boxes, and these are really good. Oh, ooh, cute little snowman. This one I believe is new. I'm gonna guess this is Mochi, and maybe a white chocolate in there. And these are cola flavor, as you can see right there. Cola. Feels like a hard candy, so we probably won't be trying it. This is a make your own, so you'll make these. It's like a little tray and it turns into gummies. So we won't do this. I'll be doing these at some point in a separate video, and I keep saying that and I still haven't, but I will. I promise. Ooh, okay. Kami, what are you? Oh, it's oishi, whatever it is, which means delicious. I think this is the Chewy Yogurt flavored candy. Probably like taffy. These are peach flavored gummies. Grape hard candy. So we probably won't eat that because hard candy just takes too long to eat. Look at him. He's a little bear. Squishy. Gummy bear. These are strawberry flavored chocolate hearts for, you know, February. This is plum. It's supposed to be sweet and sour. As much as I don't want to try this one because I know I'm not gonna like it, I guess I will. Take a little nibble. This is Ichigo strawberry mochi. So there is strawberry mochi marshmallowy outside. This says Ichigo, which is strawberry. Oh, this one has a kitty on it. Meow, meow, meow. And these are supposed to be like caramel corns, and these are chocolate flavored. So I love these. Maybe they have a new shape, a heart shape. I guess we'll find out. They usually look like worms. And while we were in Japan, we thought this was funny because my husband's name is Zach. So we're like, oh, Zach, look, you got your own chips. And these are mackerel, fish mackerel flavored. So, so I guess that's the mackerel up there. That'll be interesting. This one is like I think a little chocolate donut flavored thing with also strawberry, chocolate and strawberry. So we'll give that a try. And this is just some really boring gum. It's kind of like the same kind of gum you would get in a packet of baseball cards or something. It's kind of that kind of thing. Up, and here we go. We've got strawberry flavored Kitkat, which we have had before, so this is not a new one, I don't think. But that's okay. They're still good. And this is our drink. We always get a drink in every box. And this one is a peach flavor, and it's supposed to be made out of actual peach juice. So I'm not sure I'm not gonna like it. I like fake candy peach taste, but real juice I tend not to like. But we'll try it, and if I don't like it, that's what my husband's for. So let's start trying all this stuff. So we're gonna try this. Carbonated. Glad it didn't explode on me. Okay, here we go. Definitely smells like peaches. The taste is subtle though. It's very subtle peach taste. And a lot of the carbonation is gone now because shipping, I imagine. I can drink this. I wouldn't go out of my way to get it, but I wouldn't be against it if someone handed me one. Alright, what are these? So these are peach flavored. It's got this little tab on here to open it. Let's see if I can figure it out. That's not easy. Gonna get this. I did it! Alright. Cute little gummy. Nope. Tastes very peach. And this thing reseals if you open it right. Awesome. I'm definitely gonna try these. I think it's new-ish. New-ish. And it too is also kind of looks like a milk dud. It's like vanilla, yogurty vanilla flavor. I like that one. I need some more of those. Kind of even maybe a toffee coffee flavor as well. Alright, this one's a hard candy, so I'm not going to eat this one today. I guess I gotta eat it, right? I know I'm not gonna like this one. Nor is my husband. Alright, there it is. It's like a fruit roll-up of sour plum flavor. Vinegar. Ew, fishy. Ew, it's got a fish butt. Ew. God. No. I'm sure there's people who will love that. Not. Oh gosh. Vinegar and fish smell. I want to get this on my fingers. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Clean hands. Oh yes, we are definitely going to try these little hearts. If I can get it open. Nails are not helping to open this. This is... Oh. Got it. Here we go. Teensy little heart. They feel like hard candy. They don't feel like chocolate. It is chocolate. It feels hard, but it's soft once you bite into it. Interesting. I've eaten many of these, so I'm gonna skip that one. All right, we'll try this chewy yogurt thing. A lot of yogurt flavors. There it is. It's like a stick. Very chewy. Like taffy. And it does kind of have a yogurty flavor. It's not as good as this one though. This one was better. They're kind of similar. This one's better. The hard candy. Not gonna do that one. Teddy bear. Should we eat the teddy bear? He's so cute. He is a gummy. Gotta pop him up. He is not partially melted, at least. Usually by the time they get here, they are partially melted. But this one is not. He's like Jello. Sweet. I think peach flavored. It's very subtle. So we got this weird donut, chocolate, and strawberry thing. Again, hard to open. So he seems like a solid chunk of chocolate. Oh, look at that. It's like a cracker in there. I like it. Oh, I'm messy again. I'm not gonna eat the gum. Came out of its package. Got Mr. Snowman. Let's see what he's like. So why are snowmen always men? Are there any snow women? So there's 4 of these guys. It comes with this stick to like stick it in there, pull it out. Very mochi. This is good. It's vanilla and mochi. And it tastes very close, but not quite like the custard, which is my favorite thing. I don't want to share this one, but I will. I'll at least let my husband try one. Oh, there's another one in here. Sweet! My cat is doing something weird over there. We got this guy. Smells like chocolate. Oh, one got away. Oh, it looks like the worms. It doesn't look like hearts like the They have this picture that makes it look like it's a heart, but it still has the worm shape. It does taste chocolatey. I love these. When I'm in Japan, I buy a bunch, way more than I can eat, and I try to eat them all. So I don't have to bring them home. Because usually we have 1,000 stuffies to try and get home. So since we've had strawberry Kitkat before, I'm not going to try these. Plus, you can get these in the US. So if you wanted to try these, go to like a H Mart, some kind of international grocery store. You'll probably find them. And nope, one more. Oh no, I don't want that one either. This is the Maggeril flavored, fish flavored chips. These are not bad. I can eat these. When you first open it, you get hit with a fish smell, but then it's fine. They're good. Oh. No. I know I'm not gonna like it, but I will try it. Here we go. I'm gonna try a little piece. Oh, it's sour. In a bad way. And like salty. I'm sure there's some people out there would love this. Gotta try and get my husband to try it. I think I can't decide if this one's better or the other fish one. Probably this one, because this is not fishy, and I don't like fishy fish, if you know what I mean. But that's everything. So that was the February 2021 Japan Crate. I hope you enjoyed watching me try all this stuff. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Mata ne!